All right, share about what you can do. Go get him.
You go get me?
Go get Dada. Not Mama, Dada.
Dada.
Go ahead, go get him. Go get him.
Look at it.
Go get him. I'm not good at this. Go get him. Maybe I should come around to the front.
That's a no-name, another no-name, nondescript Wisconsin running back that thinks it's bad. I realize that. But what about Mama? What about Dada? No, I think Dada.
You going to Daddy? Look. Madison got Dada. Madison got Dada. Oh.
You're not crawling too fast.
Okay.
Yay.
Yay.